Hi, I have the coolest video. This is a review of Nude Sticks. This is Nude Sticks. It's a lip and cheek pencil. Lip and cheek pencil. I'm very excited about it. Comes in this adorable little box. So we have the box. This is made of tin. And then inside the box has 3 colors. The colors, let's see if I can turn it over. They call them Purity, Sin, and Kiss. Purity, Sin, and Kiss. So we have the translucent cover that comes in here. I love how it has a sharpener for the thick pencils. That I love. All right. So with these pencils, you're meant to mark your cheeks with 3 lines and then smudge it with your fingers and put the same color upon your lips. So I'm gonna start with what I think is the lightest color. I think Purity is the lightest. And then from there, work myself up to Sin, which I think is the darkest. So let me take off my last gloss. Oh no, so it's already broken. It has broken off inside of the top. Okay, that's a bit of a disappointment. Let me see what I can do. I'm wondering why it was fully up. That makes no sense. Okay, so it appears to have the texture of, say, a crayon.
Goes on very smooth.
It's a nice nude. Let's go ahead and put, it says 3 lines on your apple. 1,
2, 3. Hopefully I'm doing it right. 1, 2, 3. And then it says rub in with your finger. So, in an up move.
Alright, I think that works. That was quick and simple.
Nice nude. I like it.
Let's try color 2. This is called Kiss. Alright, color 2. I don't know if you can see Kiss. I hope it doesn't have the same brokenness. Oh, it didn't. Great. Have a fly in here. I have to say I still like it. The only thing I'm struggling with, my lips stand out more than I'm used to. I almost feel like I should give some definition to them. So I'm going to use the color Current by MAC. Alright, that Current did not help. It looks a little clownish with the color. I do like Kiss on my cheeks. I like that color on my cheeks. I just do not like Kiss on my lips. They stand out a bit too much for my liking. So let's try the next and the final color, which is Sin. What a bold name.
Just as easy as it wiped, as it came on. Came off just as easy as it went on. Like that. Let's get the cheeks. Really cool. I'm gonna put a little more powder back on.
last color. This is Sin. Alright, this is Sin. I think you see the name. Yay, that one didn't come up. Three line. I'm gonna have to go back further. I'm only gonna do it. I feel like I'm a cat. See my whiskers? Maybe not. All right, let's blend it. I think the first time blended so well because my skin did have some moisturizer on it, and now that I've reapplied, you know, not so much. Oh my, I feel like I have very rosy cheeks. That's too cute. I do love the lips. So my favorite colors are Sin and Purity. I think they work really well with my tone. I think this is very nice. It's a nice nude. It doesn't exactly look nude on me, but it looks very nice. And that's only with one layer. So I'm a little curious. Let me see what it would look like if I darken my lips a little more. Let's see. If I made them more opaque. I still like. And what about the cheeks? More whiskers, right? All right, maybe I put too much. I don't know. All right, maybe we are supposed to just stick to 3, because now I see it and I feel like I've created a bee sting. But I like it. I actually really like it. I think it looks very feminine. I think it stands out, and I have to say I'm quite happy with it. So thank you so much. That's Nude Sticks. Oh my lord, how did I forget? It comes with a mirror. I wasn't paying attention. Thank you, Nude Sticks. I am loving this lip cheek set. I think it's adorable. I think it gave me the look that I was hoping for. Actually, I didn't know what to hope, but it looks good. And it goes with the dude. And it goes with the outfit. See her trying to serve. All right, thank you so much. Hope to see you all soon. I do hope you got something from the video. I do hope you try out Nude Sticks. No, this is not a sponsorship. I am a beginning YouTuber. My numbers are painfully low. I am super far from 1,000. But you know, new subs, any new subs that I get, I will shout you out just in appreciation. So as you leave a comment in a video, let me know that you are a new sub. The following video that I make, I will shout out you and your channel. So let's support each other. See you soon. Bye.